So to go from grams to pounds, I have to use the second conversion. So I know that I need to go from grams to kilograms, and from kilograms I can go to pounds. So I know that 5,000 grams, well, that's 1 kilogram for every 1,000 grams. And there my grams will cancel. And then I know that I get 2 2/10 pounds for 1 kilogram. And there my kilograms will cancel. So if I do 5,000 times 1 over 1,000, I know that this is 5 times, well, that's 2 2/10 over 1, so that's just 2 2/10 pounds, which will give me 11 pounds. So 5,000 grams is about 11 pounds. How many millimeters in 2 feet? Well, this means I have to go through centimeters. So I first start with the feet. So I'm going to go from feet to inches. From inches I can go to centimeters, and from centimeters I can go to millimeters. So I know I have 2 feet, and then I know that there are 12 inches in 1 foot, and then I know from the conversion over here that there's 2 5,400 centimeters for 1 inch. And I can see there my feet cancel, here my inches cancel. And then I know that there are 10 millimeters for 1 centimeter. So there my centimeters cancel, leave me with only 1 unit of millimeters. So if I go through here, I have 2 times 12 times 2 5,400 times 10 millimeters. And if I multiply that all together, I have 609 6/10 millimeters. All right, and the third one here, we want to go from 2 square meters to square centimeters. So one way to think about this is that I have 2 times 1 meter times 1 meter. And I got to think about, well, I need to change my 1 meters over to centimeters. And so I know that for every meter, I know that there are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. And there are 100 centimeters in this 1 meter. So here I am changing meters to centimeters. Here I am changing this one meters to centimeters. My meters will cancel. And I'll look, and that gives me 2 times 100 centimeters times 100 centimeters. And what I notice here is 2 times 100 times 100 will give me 20,000, and then centimeter times centimeter gives me centimeters squared. So I have 20,000 square centimeters in 2 square meters. So it's that idea that I don't change just 1 unit, I have to change both. And so sometimes it's easier to think about as multiplying the units together. So let's think about then when we want to get square feet out of these square centimeters. So I have 122,864 and 27 hundredths times 1 centimeter times 1 centimeter. And I need to get to feet. So I know that to change, so I've got this 822,864 and 27 hundredths. If I want to go from 1 centimeter to change it, I know that that would be 1 inch for 2 5,400 centimeters, and there my centimeters would cancel, but I don't want to end in square inches, I want to go to square feet. So I know that there is 1 foot for 12 square inches. So that's my first time I do it, and I need to do that a second time. So that's just that one. So I need to do 1 centimeter. Again, that's 1 inch for 2 5400 centimeters. To cancel those centimeters, and then I know that again, that's 1 foot or 12 inches. And there goes my inches. So if I look at what do I have here, well, my units, I have 122,864 and 27 hundredths square feet, because feet and feet are the only things left, over 2 54 hundredths times 12, and I've got that 2 times, that whole unit, so I can say that's 2 54 hundredths times 12 squared. So this would become 122,864 and 27 hundredths square feet over 929 and 304 10,000ths. So now I just need to divide my numerator by my denominator, and I'll have my final solution. And when I divide these, I get this becomes 132 and 25 hundredths square feet, or 132 and a quarter square feet.